our topic of discussion is minor and cofactor of an element of a matrix or its determinant. So basically we are going to learn these two things: how to find minor of an element and how to find cofactor, right? So to find the cofactor, it is essential first to find the minor of an element. Okay, and our purpose to learn these two definitions is that so that we can easily find the determinants of higher order, that is 3 cross 3, 4 cross 3, etc. So to find the determinants of such order and inverses of such order, we should know how to find the minor and cofactor. So first we will start with minor. Minor of an element. Let us consider a square matrix A and we suppose the order of A is n, of order n. That is, we can write A is equals to the element in the determinant with ith row and j column, right? And the order of matrix is n cross n. So we can write determinant whose order is n cross n as A11, A12, A13 up to so on A1j up to A1n, right? Up to so on. We can write AN1, AN2, AN3 up to so on ANJ and ANN. Then the minor of an element Aij, and we denote the minor as Mij. We denote the minor with this notation Mij. Mij, and what is this Mij? It is the determinant. It is the determinant of the n minus 1 into n minus 1 matrix, and this matrix is formed by deleting ith row and jth column. Okay, so what does it means? For example, we have a matrix A and we suppose this is 3 cross 3 matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then the matrix obtained by deleting the first row and second column. Remove this second row and first column, and now we have formed a determinant which is equals to A21, A23, A31, A33. So this is the determinant 1, 2. When we say M12, it means now we will remove first row and second column. So we remove first row and second column, right? So now we have this determinant, and this is, we have the minor. So in this way we have found the minor. Simply the concept is, if we have to find the minor of M represented as M12, so it means we will remove first row and second column, and the remaining we will write in the determinant form, and this is the minor. We will find the cofactor of an element of a matrix. The cofactor of an element Aij denoted by capital Aij. We denote cofactor as capital Aij. A representing the determinant, I represent the ith row and this represents the column, is defined by Aij is equals to minus 1 this ith row plus jth column multiplication with Mij, where this Mij represents minor of that particular element. How we can calculate it? A. Okay, so to find, suppose we have to find the cofactor A12, right? We have to find the cofactor A12. So for that we have to find the minor M12, and minor M12 is equals to the determinant, and now we will remove the first row and second column. Then we have A21, A23, A31, A33. So this is, we have the minor. Now putting this value in the formula, I we have is 1 and J we have is 2. This is equals to minus 1 I plus J. It means 1 plus 2 into Mij. This is the value of Mij, which is equals to M12. A21, A23, A31, A33. So this is, we have minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, which is equals to minus 1. So minus 1, when multiply with this matrix, we have minus of this matrix. So this is, we have the cofactor of A12. Let's take another example. Okay, so we have to find the cofactors A12, A22 and A32 if A is given by this matrix. So to find A12, the formula we have is minus 1, 1 plus 2 multiplication with M12. So first we will find M12. So M12 means we will delete second column and first row. So we will have a matrix minus 2, 1, 4, 2. So how to take the determinant? Minus 2 into 2 minus 4 into 1. So 2 times is 4 minus 4 1 times is 4. So minus 4, it means minus 8. So this is the value of M12. Now putting this value in the formula. So we have A12 is equals to minus 1, 1 plus 2 into minus 8, which is equals to minus 1, 1 plus 2 is 3 multiplication with minus 8. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 multiplication with minus 8. Minus minus is equals to plus, and 1 8 times is 8. So this is the value of A12. Next we have to find A22. A22, so it means the formula will be minus 1, 2 plus 2 multiplication with minor 2, 2. So first we will find M22. It means now we will ignore second row and second column. Okay. So now we will have 1, 3, 4, 2. Taking the determinant 2 cross 2, cross multiplication 1 2 times 2 minus 4 into 3 1 2 times 2 minus 4 3 times is 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Okay, so now to find the cofactor A22. This is equals to minus 1 2 plus 2 into M22, which is equals to minus 10. Minus 1 2 plus 2 is 4, multiplication with minus 10. So minus 1 square is positive 1 and positive 1 square is positive 1 again. So 1 into minus 10. This is equals to minus 10, which is the value of cofactor A22. Lastly, we have to find the value of A32, this one. So now the formula A32 is equals to minus 1 3 plus 2 into M32. So to find M32, we will ignore third row and second column. Third row, it means this row, and second column. So now we will have 1 3 and minus 2 1. So to take the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix, we cross multiply 1 into 1 minus 2 into 3, 1 times 1, minus plus 2 3 times 6, 1 plus 6, this is equals to 7. So now to find the cofactor A32, this is equals to minus 1 3 plus 2 into M32, which is equals to 7. This is minus 1 3 plus 2 is 5, multiplication with 7. So minus 1 power 5 is equals to minus 1 into 7, which is equals to minus 7. So the value of cofactor A32 is equals to minus 7. So this is how we find the cofactors, for which we should know how to find the minor. So this is all about today's lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to learn how to find the inverse of 3 cross 3 matrix with the help of this concept of minor and cofactors. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Also like, subscribe and share my videos. See you in the next video. Take care.